What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are swapping the engine and trans into the G. Hopefully it all goes smooth. I was waiting for the motor mounts to get here and the headers and all that fun stuff, but I'm actually just trying to get the engine and trans in today because I still have the harness I need to change. This one's still from the DE. I have to do, well, if I didn't tell you, I'm doing the VHR swap, the 3.7. So it should be some work, but it'll be worth it. All right, well, let's get this puppy started. Alright guys, so we already got the torque converter out and everything. We're putting this action clutch flywheel here, but the bolts that go in there, that come from the factory, they're too small. They only reach like a little tiny bit. So I need to go out and see where the hell I can find some longer ones. So that's what we're about to do now. Wish me luck. Alright, so we ran into a little issue. So the flywheel, one of the threads got effed up, and the tool to fix it, my grandpa has it, but he's not here. But he said he will just finish it off tomorrow. And then we just decided to see if it drops in and it fits. That was my biggest concern, but it's in there. It fits. With an C1 motor mounts, but we'll probably have to end up taking it off tomorrow. I'm gonna try to take the whole harness off now. See how much of a pain in the ass that's gonna be, but other than that, we will keep this thing going tomorrow. So I decided to go ahead and take the harness out. There it is. But we got another problem. Just problems after problems. The harness that I got from the guy that I got it, he sent me the outer one. So now I have to hit him up and see if he can send me the one for the manual one. So with that being said, that's gonna be it for today. I'll keep this going tomorrow. Hopefully we can get the trans and all that fixed and going. So yep, see you guys. What is up, guys? So you can see, well, you don't know, but it's been a week. I had to change this bolts because I didn't know something. I did not know that the the flywheel bolts on an automatic were smaller than the ones on the manual. And since I'm doing a manual swap, I had to wait a whole couple days to get the right ones. So I went to Infinity and got them there. But that's already out of the way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the clutch on and all that good stuff, and hopefully by the end of all this it'll be inside the car, hopefully. All right, now we're getting the clutch in finally. So yeah, pretty much, marica. So hopefully today. Yeah, it looks like that shit was in there for a while.
Hey, no tiene una puntita, no se le puede hacer, es que debe estar.
We already got the clutch and everything on there, the headers. We'll probably have to, well, we left them loose so we can fit that damn thing in there. So soon. It's hot as shit. So it's just one problem after another. We got this motherfucker stuck in there. Here. So we need to find a way to take it out. That's for the transmission mount.
Ya sé lo que va a hacer. Ya sé lo que va a hacer. A soltarle el viento para.
Alright, so here we are. Problem after a fucking problem. Now we need to take this little fucker out because we already have one here. And it'll end up hitting that one. So that's what we got left. Yeah, it's some bullshit. But I guess it's part of the damn fun, huh? Huh, marica? Ya le falta más abajo, ¿no? Le falta más abajo. ¿Cuántos son?
Muchos se han equivocado y piensan que estoy asustado porque los he perdonado, pero no se me ha olvidado todas sus malas jugadas y traiciones que me han dado. No se crean verga perros, aquí estamos preparados. Tengo un flow como el Canelo, siempre los dejo noqueados.
Alright, so most of it's already done. We already got the headers put in and everything, chance, and just waiting for my cousin to finish the other side over there. And we should be good to drop the fucker in and then just put the test pipes in. Then the rest, it'll be little by little. But at least this will be out of the way. So, right? Alright, boys and girls.
Let's pile up with this fucking water in.
It's already in. We got engine and trans inside. Yeah. Now the rest is just little by little. Hopefully by the end of maybe next month or something like that. Before the end of the year, it'll be done. Yep. So that's gonna be it for that. See you guys on the next one.